Hey guys, hope all of you are doing great, and we are back with one more session of NCRT solutions. And what are we going to do today? Yes, guys, we are going to do page number 141 ka question number 10 and 11. We have already done, guys, 10 episodes. This is the 11th episode for chapter How Do Organisms Reproduce. Before this, we have done life process ka each and every question. Okay, you can watch that. We have always, yes guys, also completed the entire chapter in detail. You can study that also. Same wise for the life process also. Okay guys, let's move today's session. Let us read your comments first. Yes, Manisha Thombre says session was amazing, awesome, always knowledgeable. Thank you beta Manisha. Ritika Kapoor, amazing sister, you're great, really helping us a lot. Thank you beta Ritika. Moving forward, guys, you must be knowing there's a Vedantu ka Pro course where you get more features from the Vedantu platform. You can use this code AR Pro to get extra 20% discount. Yes, guys. So let us do the question today. Yes, here's the 10th question, guys, which says, how does reproduction help in providing stability to the population of a species? How does it do? How does it provide stability to the population of a species? Guys, first thing, how does reproduction enables reproduction. What does it do? It enables them to produce more organisms of same species and maintain their number. Reproduction helps organisms to produce more organisms of their same species and maintain their number. है ना बेटा, reproduction से क्या होता है? New organisms बनते हैं of the same species so that their number is maintained, so that they do not get extinct, है ना? तो ये चीज होती है, they help in maintaining the number of the organisms, क्योंकि देखो बहुत सारे organisms मरते भी हैं every day, तो new organisms are replacing them, है ना बेटा? तो that is happening. Second thing, how does it providing stability of population? It reproduction help in transfer of DNA. What is it happening? It is helping in transfer of DNA. Yes, it helps in transfer of the DNA, which helps in, yes guys, which helps in maintenance of character, maintenance of characters of a species. It helps in maintenance of character of a species. Transfer of DNA कहते हैं help in maintenance of a character of a species. It also helps an individual to adapt to the surrounding environment. ये करता है ट्रांसफर ऑफ डीएनए होता है, मेंटेन करता है कैरेक्टर को, अडाप्ट करने में हेल्प करता है ना, अडाप्ट टू द चेंजिंग एनवायरनमेंट. इट ऑल्सो लीड्स टू evolution. It also leads to evolution over the longer period. That is how reproduction helps in providing stability to a population, by helping it to adjust to the environment, by helping it to produce more copies of its own, by helping it to evolve. Right? Very good. These are the 3 points you should write. Yes guys, you can read over here. The consistency of DNA copying is the most important maintenance of the body features of, it. Yes, reproduction is therefore linked to the stability of a population. मतलब main इन्होंने DNA से compare करा है, DNA and transfer of character, but what I am trying to say is कि there is more to it. Increasing in the number of the organisms, है ना, number of organisms maintain करने के लिए transfer तो कर रहा है character. Apart from that, it is helping it to adapt to the changing environment and, yes guys, lead to evolution also. ठीक है, these are the points which we will write. Next one. What could be the reason for the adopting contraceptive methods? Yes, what could be the reason, guys? One, to prevent unwanted pregnancy. And yes guys, what else? To prevent sexually transmitted diseases, है ना बेटा? To prevent sexually transmitted diseases or STDs. To prevent sexually transmitted disease or STDs. That is why we need, yes guys, contraceptives. I guess this is clear, है ना? और क्या होता है? This is the main reason, guys. Apart from that, why do you want to prevent unwanted pregnancy, beta? Because it takes a toll. Agar if some female gets pregnant, she has to be physically and mentally both strong. So that is also a reason to use contraceptive. Yes, guys. Sexual act always has the potential to lead to pregnancy. Pregnancy will have major demands on the body of a female, है ना बेटा? Therefore, adopting contraceptive method is essential to avoid unwanted pregnancy. मतलब main चीज़ है unwanted pregnancy. Unwanted क्यों हो सकती है? Other reasons की वजह से हो सकती है. First, economic reasons हो सकते हैं. You know, mental and physical reasons हो सकते हैं. Women is not mentally or physically ready, है ना? कपल के पास पैसे नहीं है टू पाल पोस के बड़ा करने के लिए बच्चों के लिए, है ना? तो दैट इज वन ऑफ द रीजंस, है ना? देन या yes, they also prevent STD. So guys, these are 2 points you can say. To prevent unwanted pregnancy, the pregnancy can be unwanted because of various reasons, socio-economic reasons, है ना? You can write. And yes guys, to prevent STDs also. Very good guys, claps for yourself. We have completed one more session of NCERT session. Today we did guys 141 का question number 9, 10 and 11. Already हम लोग guys 8 और 9 कर चुके हैं पेज नंबर 141 का. Do watch them. This was this guys 11th episode. Already we have done 10th. नेक्स्ट एपिसोड में गाइज वी विल बी डूइंग यस गाइज पेज नंबर 143 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 and 2. डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू वॉच दिस एंड डू लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट बॉक्स आपको सेशन कैसा लगा, है ना? मजा आया? लाइक द वीडियो, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब एंड कीप स्माइलिंग. बाय बाय, हैव अ ग्रेट डे, टेक केयर.